Hey there, Andy here. I thought I'd give a tour of the Puebla Bus Station. Most people call it CAPU, C-A-P-U. I think it's like the Central something something. So anyway, let me give you a tour so you can find your way around. The Puebla Bus Station, better known as CAPU, is a large and busy bus station with buses coming in and out of the entire country of Mexico. It's open 24 hours, although there aren't too many buses going out between 1 a.m. and 5 a.m. There's plenty of places to eat or pick up snacks and drinks to go. If you need a charging cable, headset, or a mobile battery for your trip, there's a shop or two that sells those things too. If you're arriving to CAPU in a bus, you'll exit the bus and go into the bus station. From there, you'll go up the stairs or escalator. After that, you'll go back down and arrive at the main bus station area. There's usually people asking if you need a taxi as you come down the ramp to the main area. If you'd like to take a taxi, be sure to ask what the cost will be before getting into the taxi. As you exit the ramp to the right, you'll see a Subway sandwiches and a McDonald's desserts. You'll also find a Burger King, Domino's Pizza, and many smaller restaurants. There's restrooms here known as sanitarios in Mexico, but you'll need 5 to 7 pesos to use them. Most restrooms require a fee in Mexico, unless you're in a restaurant, mall, or major store. You'll find many ATMs throughout the bus station, but some work and others don't. There's also a currency exchange if you have foreign currency that you want to exchange for Mexican pesos. To exit the bus station, go all the way to the end and you'll find the exit on the right side. Before you reach the exit, you'll see the currency exchange, a copy center, and a FedEx to your left. If you'd like to take a bus out of Puebla, you'll enter the bus station and find several major bus companies right near the entrance. ADO, AU, and Estrella Roja all offer premium bus travel. Most of their buses have air conditioning, a toilet, and they'll show a movie during the trip. There's buses going to Mexico City every few minutes. If you have a destination but you're not sure which bus line to take, you can go to any bus line and ask the agent there. They'll happily let you know if they have buses to your destination or point you to a bus line that goes there. You can pay for a bus ticket using either cash or card. In Mexico City's bus station, occasionally they'll ask for your ID. Any ID is fine. Here in Puebla, they've never asked me for an ID. After purchasing your bus ticket, you'll go down to the end of the main area and your gate will either be on the left side or right side. Be sure to ask the ticket agent which side your gate is on. Here's where you'll enter if your gate is on the right side. Over here is where the other gates are on the left side. Once you get to your gate, confirm that you're in the right gate by showing the attendant your bus ticket receipt. In my experience, the attendants are very helpful, especially if you look like a foreigner. They'll let you know when it's time to start boarding your bus. To get on a Ruta bus, you'll need to buy a card and add money to it. At every bus stop, there's machines that sell them and allow you to add more money to the card. Sometimes they run out of cards, but you can just give someone 8 pesos and ask them to let you through with their card. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps your trip into Puebla and get around in Puebla. Be sure to subscribe and hit the like button. Take care.